Reset safety switches only after you have fully fixed the underlying problem and confirm the system is safe to operate. When resetting safety switches on a furnace or other HVAC equipment, start by verifying the root cause has been resolved and all power is disconnected for any work. Inspect the area around the switch for physical damage, corrosion, or loose wiring, and tighten or replace components as required. Follow the manufacturer procedure for the specific switch, which often means returning a tripped float, door, or high-limit switch to its normal position by hand or with the specified tool while wearing insulated gloves. Reconnect all electrical terminals, making sure connections are clean and snug and that wire insulation is intact. Use a multimeter to check for continuity where applicable and to verify there is no short to ground. Restore power and run a controlled test cycle while observing the system for proper operation and any abnormal sounds, odors, or error indicators. Allow the system to complete at least one full cycle so you can verify the safety switch does not trip under normal conditions. If the switch trips again, remove power and trace the circuit and components that load the switch. Looking for intermittent faults, blocked drains, restricted airflow, or overheating that could be re-triggering the safety device. Common mistakes include resetting a switch without fixing the failure cause, which only masks a recurring hazard and can lead to equipment damage. Always diagnose and repair the root issue before resetting. Another mistake is failing to secure or test electrical connections after repair, which can allow loose wires to create intermittent faults or arcing. Tighten terminals and verify continuity with a meter before restoring power. A third frequent error is not running a full functional test after reset, so repeat trips or hidden faults go unnoticed. Always run a complete operational cycle and monitor the system for at least the duration recommended in the equipment manual. We maintain bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and to help contractors find work related to these kinds of post-repair steps and broader home projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and troubleshooting experiences.